Hi, my name is Ishika, and today I will be explaining my solution to assignment 4, which focuses on working with pandas in Python. The goal of this assignment is to analyze and manipulate a dataset using pandas function. I will walk you through each question, the code I wrote, and the results I obtained. So for the first step here, I started by loading the dataset assignment 04.csv into a pandas data frame called mydf. I use the pd.read CSV function for this, and then I display the first 3 rows using .head method to confirm the data loaded correctly. So the 3 rows it shows after I run this code. Now for the next few tasks, I focus on deleting the model column. First, I removed it temporarily using the .drop method, then permanently by reassigning the data frame with the model column. I confirm its deletion by checking the column names. So here we have the model column, but after deleting it temporarily, the model column goes, and then after permanently deleting it, it doesn't show model column at all, as you can see here in the output. Then for the question 5th, that's 1, 3. Let's delete the rows 1, 3, and 5 permanently. So I deleted the rows 1, 3, and 5 permanently using the in place equal to true over here, parameter of .drop method. After that, I displayed the first 4 rows to confirm the changes. So I have displayed the 4 rows. So it deleted 1, 3, and 5 row in the output. To calculate the mean of the range column, I use the .mean method. This function calculates the average of all the numerical values in the column. And then next I replace all the occurrences of F here in the type column with the triple A using .replace and check the first 5 rows. So whatever in the result type, there is an F here. I replace it with the triple A as you can see in the output here. Moving to step 8. So I removed unwanted characters like brackets, commas, and dollar signs from the cost column using the .str.replace. As you can see here, there is a dollar sign in brackets, but in this column it is not. So I have replaced it. Now after cleaning, I converted the cost column to integers using .s type here. And I found the average cost, which is 54.58. Moving to question 11. So it says calculate the mean, max, and standard deviation of the cost column group by each continent all in one command. So I use .group by and .agg to calculate mean, max, and standard deviation. And here are the results. So there is like each continent and their mean, max, and standard deviation over here. And then I need to plot the histogram. Sorry, I need to plot the bar chart. As you can see in the question 13, that's using a bar chart. I have to find the numerical columns, mean of the numerical columns by continent. So here is the bar chart that shows the mean of all the continents in the numerical way. Then the dot value counts method is used to count occurrences of each unique value in the continent column. And then to calculate the percentages, the normalize equal to true parameter converts the counts into proportion, which are the multiplied by 100 for the percentage values. So here I use the normalize equal to true for the percentage. And here are the results. it counts all the continents and then by the percentages. Now in the question 16, it says show the unique values. So the dot unique method here list all the unique values in the column, and then dot n unique method counts the total number of unique values. So total number of unique values is 7, and these are the unique values here. The dot value counts method counts the frequency of each unique value in the cost column. So it's counting the cost of each unique value. Now moving to question 18, which says plot a histogram for the cost column. So here I use dot plot, as you can see, to plot the histogram. The histogram is basically used to visualize the distribution of the cost column. So it gives you the perfect idea what it is. And then I use the beans parameter to determine the number of intervals in the histogram. So this is the histogram of cost with 50 beans, as you can see. First our histogram look like this, and then after giving it the beans of 50, it looks like this. Okay, so moving forward to question 20, that is analyzing the missing values. Now dot ISNA and dot sum method counts the number of missing NaN values in each column. So here you can see there is it counting the NaN values, and missing values in the zip code is 9, missing value in type is 2. Here dot drop NA and the drop NA method removes all the rows containing at least one missing value, and in place equal to true applies the operation permanently to the data frame. Here you can see there's a statistic for the type column, and it prints all the numbers here. This dot set index. Okay, so moving forward, there is a dot reset in question 23, which is replace the type column missing values with triple X and show the result again. So as we see, there is a replacement of triple X. Whenever it's like an NaN, it will replace it by triple X. Question 24 is drop the rows that have any missing value permanently and show the number of rows after running the drop command. So here it is. I use the dot drop NA again, and in place equal to true, which prints the number of rows after dropping missing value, and that is 938. Moving forward to the question 25, which says set the ID column as the new index and delete the index name. So we have set the index ID as a new and then delete the existing set index name. And then which gives the result here. That's for value for ID 17 value column, and that is 24. So here there is question 26, which says show the index column the shape of current DF, bring back the ID column to the DF and reset the index. And again show the index column and shape of the current DF. So here it prints first index because I used my df.index, and then my df.columns, shape, everything you need. And then at the last, it's showing again the shape of the current df, and which is 938,8. Question 27, the dot describe here method proves summary statistic for numerical columns, and dot ilog is used to fetch specific values from the output. So if you want the value of the specific thing, that like value at the first row and third column of the describe that will be 938. So these two methods we'll use to achieve this. Now sort continent by count and alphabetically. Now the dot value counts here is used to sort by the count, and dot sort index sort values alphabetically. Now here you can see it's sorted by the counts, like there's 141, then it's like sorted by the counts here, the continent, and this sorting is done by alphabetically, like A to Z. Now fetching using like a rows and the columns. So here you can see when I do this, when I use .ilog and .head here to print the specific rows and selected columns, it shows me this output. And at the last, we have question 30 that comes with show the value of the type that are equal to triple X. So here you go. I use mydf.log and then I have to double equal to sign with triple X. The dot log is used to filter rows where the type column equals triple X and display the corresponding value column. So it will shows here the value for type equal to triple X. So this concludes my solution for assignment 4. Through this exercise, I applied various panda function to analyze, manipulate, and visualize the data set. Thank you for watching. Thank you.